Let's see how to place a Flexi Basket order using Nubra API. First, open the Nubra API documentation, navigate to the Guides and Examples section. Scroll down and select Flexi Basket Orders. In traditional order placement, each option leg is sent independently and margin is calculated per leg. With Flexi Basket, the entire option strategy is placed as a single order. All legs are evaluated together. Margin is calculated on the net position instead of individually. Scrolling down, we can see the comparison between individual orders and Flexi Basket orders. Why Flexi Basket matters for algo traders. Hedge benefit, margin is computed on the net strategy. Strategy execution, all legs are executed together, reducing partial leg risk. Now scroll down to the example code section. Copy the example script and paste it into your editor. Before running the code, update the option legs according to your strategy. Modify the strike prices, expiry dates, and other parameters as required. You can add multiple legs depending on your strategy structure. Once everything's configured, run the script. Now let's open the UAT terminal to verify the order placement. We can see that the Flexi Basket order has been placed successfully. If you want to execute this strategy in the live market, simply change the environment from UAT to prod. No other changes are required. This is how you place a Flexi Basket order using Nubra API. Thanks for watching.